Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a spoken English language trainer. Friends, today my topic is philosophy. As you understand, it is kind of art of living, which depends on our lifestyle or on our working style. It depends according to our era as well, present era, past era and the future era. It depends on our community. As you understand, in the earlier days, in the past era, our community was very much united and we all used to depend to help each other and to interfere with each other and to counsel each other. So there were different impacts on the children and family and on the society as well. But in the present era, I think people are not concerned with the societies or their close community as well, and even from the relatives and the friends as well, they do not want any kind of interference. These days people think it is useless to believe in someone else, as in this era those past things do not matter. But it does matter. Whatever you do, every era has different lifestyle and different advantage and disadvantage of that. Now it comes to family pattern as well. Our all the system, our philosophy depends on our family pattern. Whether we are in joint family or in nuclear family or we are singles in our life. So it all depends on that. When we were in joint family systems, we used to be concerned with each other. Everybody used to help each other in any circumstances, and even we had job or not, but we were not bothered for our livelihood or how our family will run in the future. All the time everybody was helping each other in each manner. But in this era, our families are mostly nuclear families where people are not concerned with others and they only bother what is for myself and what can I do for myself. I think it is difficult to bear the life only with two people, only with two partners. We think that we are sufficient or we are the whole world in ourselves. It also depends on our education systems. Some people study from the Gurukul type of things earlier, where the religious kind of education or the moral education and physical education had more emphasis on their skills than the other technical fields of the present era. But these days people are going towards different streams to study as education because they want to do different kinds of jobs. Not only in religious field they want to be master or they want to be called that I am a very cultured person or whatever. These days they think that our education means know about everything and follow what I want and do what I want. Our health also depends on our lifestyle. In earlier days we had fresh air, fresh food, cooked every day in the home. Everybody had happy and healthy life. But these days in this present era, people don't have time and everybody is working. Ladies are also working and kids are also busy at their work. So no one has time to cook at home. Either people depend on their helpers or cooks at their home who maybe do not know how to cook and what to cook for the happy and healthy lifestyle. But people don't have time. So what they do, that they start going here and there for outside food. And every place is not hygienic and not giving you happy and healthy food. Means there are people who are working there, they are under pressures, they are low paid and they are not really giving their work with happy mind. And when the food is consumed with a sad mind or with a depressed mind, and that kind of food also gives us kind of depressed health. Therefore, I can say that our future is going towards darkness, that no one has time to cook and think about happy and healthy lifestyle. thinking that food is most important for us to eat to feel healthy. Our working style also, friends, some people take government jobs because they feel it is more relaxed, there is not too much restrictions and they can't be taken away from the job easily, so they prefer to have the government jobs because they are always relaxed and lenient at that condition. And some people look for private jobs, but there is too much pressure and too much quality pressure as well, but they pay high amount of money. In the government sectors also, in the good jobs you get high amount of money, but in the maximum jobs you do not get that handsome amount of living your life comfortably. Therefore, in present era, people are moving towards the startups that they want to be self-dependent to earn their money. So if they are capable to do something better, so they can earn better and live better. And if they do not have caliber to do something better, only then they look for the jobs for someone. Medical facilities are also depending for our philosophy that some people have money to spend on their medical health or medical situations, how to get treatment for their good health. Because in earlier days when our food was healthy, lifestyle was healthy, people used to sleep early, get up early, and they were not having so much of mental stress, heart attack, blood pressure, diabetes, such kind of problems, or the tension, depression. These were not the problems of the past era. But in present era, all these kind of medical health issues are very common and people are spending most of the money on these. So in some of the organizations, they are paid for their services, but they are working in such a style that almost all the health they depend on their philosophy that it is good or not, because giving money, paying money is not the right thing, but giving them healthy time, happy time at work and relaxed attitude and working style, that is the best for them. Now it depends on entertainment style. Now you see, earlier we had kind of manual entertainment sources, like people used to do song and dances and singing and music at very relaxed manner. They were not professional, but they were very much entertainer, and people used to enjoy those kind of things, and those used to be such like comedies, or even like religious leelas were performed by people of different religions in different manners, and people used to enjoy that. But in present era, that kind of things are not accepted nowadays. They want fast life and they want better dressing and decoration and dresses and language and more theme into their entertainment, which is kind of catered by the Bollywood and the serial makers. So now what is happening, the Bollywood is producing quite a vulgar things for the young kids, which is quite provoking for them. And I think it is impacting on their philosophy. They think that this kind of vulgarity is kind of practical way of life. But they are not understanding, they are ruining their life by watching such stuff and following such type of lifestyle. And serials as well, my friends, I should say, all serials are not producing kind of healthy things for the young kids or the old people or for the youngsters, for the young couples to learn something towards morality or trust or loyalty in the society. Everybody is only towards earning the money. So our entertainment industries are turning as commercial more than concerned for the philosophy or the concern of the lifestyle of the people, that what should they produce so that people become morally high and morally sensible to live the happy and healthy life. And friends, next, our philosophy also depends on our religion. There are so many religions and so many religious practices, but everybody is thinking the same recipe, that they want to play with the emotions or the sentiments of the innocent people. Mostly people are under some stress or emotional problems due to their family, work or health and so many things. But the religious people always give them fear. If you will not do this, then this can happen. If you will not do this, then this can happen. But I think it is just an illusion and the faith kind of thing they have created as a wrong notion in people's mind. Because how can something which is not visible, which is unseen, which is not really sensible, how it can help us into something? Whereas we spend a lot of money, lot of time, lot of sentiments to get the results, but still it happens what it will or what it should be. So I can say that religion gives such kind of fears that we are always after it to get rid of our problems, but we don't find any solution. Now it also comes to the fashion. Friends, since the past era and the present era and the future, we can't really decide where the fashion will reach. The competition of fashion, earlier it used to be to cover yourself or to live in a kind of manner so that you don't look provocative. But nowadays everything is provocative, either of men's or the women's of any age. So even the fashion industry, whether you talk about cosmetics or the attire, our dresses or our footwears, any kind of thing, they are so expensive, so much in competition, and people are just running after because they have little money, because both partners are working these days. So they spend their money on the fashion competition. But they are not going towards the right path. They are falling into the vulgarity and type of nudity as well. Now, in the past era, present era and the future era, you can understand that our philosophy is a kind of our perception towards others. This is called peer pressure. Now, in the past also, when many things were very different and people were not allowing their family people to do certain things, still there was peer pressure to start those kind of things. And in the present era, everybody is doing what they want to do due to peer pressure. Everybody is under burden to remove the stress through the present era lifestyle. And in the future, we are not able to decide what should be the right stuff or what should be the right step to take for our future. So friends, I would like to say our philosophy means our perception, and our perception is our exposure, and our exposure is our acceptance is our confidence, and our happy and healthy life. Thanks friends for listening all that, and I hope please correct the philosophy towards others because it is very harmful, and let us know each other, let us counsel each other that always do the best to be the best and best for others as well. Thanks a lot.